Welcome to Chicken Coop Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a magic ring. A magic ring is a very simple concept. It is the base of any circular object or 3D object. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a magic ring and how to start the first round on a magic ring. Let's get into it. You're going to need some yarn, any yarn will do, and a crochet hook. Now, I'm going to take my yarn and I'm going to lay it over the top of my fingertips, like so. And now I'm going to hold with my thumb and my ring finger, and I'm going to wrap it around my fingers. And then from the back, I'm going to make an X. This X is a very important step in creating the magic ring. Wrap it around. And now I like to hold this working yarn with my ring finger while I take my crochet hook and I go underneath the first stitch and then grab the second, pull it through, give it a little twist to form a loop, and then I like to take my working yarn and yarn over and pull through the little loop you created. That's it. That is a magic ring. Now, the common amount of stitches that is put in a magic ring is 6. So let's make 6 stitches in a magic ring. To do that, you're going to insert your hook underneath these two pieces of yarn. You're going to yarn over and draw up a loop. Then yarn over again and pull through. And there you have your first single crochet into your magic ring. Now that we have the magic ring, I'm going to hold the end of the yarn that I've been working with and drop it and pull this little string right here. When I do that, it is going to cinch the inside, making the magic ring. Now we have a finished magic ring with 6 single crochets inside of it. To start the round, you're going to insert your hook into the first stitch that we created right here. Go under both the loops. This is the front, and this is the back. Go under both of them, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both. And that is the first single crochet of the first round. Ta-da! You did it!